In this video, I'll show you how to do the star stitch, which is a decorative stitch I like to use in my knitting patterns. It's knit over 3 stitches. So you insert your needle into 3 stitches at the same time, as if to knit, and then you knit them, but don't take it off the left-hand needle yet. Then you do a yarn over by bringing the yarn forward and over the right hand needle, and then you knit those 3 stitches together again, and this time you do take it off the left hand needle and you've created the star stitch. I'll show you that one more time. So I'm going to knit across 3 and then I'm going to do another star stitch. It does really help to have sharp lace needles to do this stitch, to get the needle through the 3 stitches at once. So put the needle through 3 stitches at the same time, as if to knit them together, and then knit them, but don't take it off the left hand needle just yet. Yarn over, and then this time knit the 3 stitches together and take the yarn off. So in that way you've created the star stitch and you still have the same number of stitches that you started with on your needles. Then when you're working back on the next row, you simply purl back across, or if you're working in the round, you'll be knitting across those 3 stitches that you just did the star stitch.